Let's see how we can make a string uppercase, or lowercase, in Python using Google Colab. We have the make a string, uppercase, or lowercase. .ipynb file open. We have the input string, the variable, s, is assigned this string. Strings in Python are given in quotes. This particular string has a number, some special characters, spaces, and lowercase, as well as uppercase alphabets. We want to make a string uppercase. So we want to make this string, s, uppercase, so we can use the built-in .upper method, which converts a string to all uppercase letters. Because strings are immutable, this method returns a new string and does not modify the original string. The syntax is string, upper, parentheses. For our case, it is s, upper, parentheses, which converts all the lowercase letters to uppercase. And all the non-alphabetical characters like numbers, or special characters, or spaces are ignored by the upper method. We can print the uppercase string. So, we will write print in parenthesis s upper parentheses. Let's first run this code cell by clicking on this run button, to assign this variable s, this string. Now we can run this print in parenthesis s.upper parentheses code cell. We see that the number, the special characters, and the spaces are ignored by this upper method. And all the alphabetical data is converted to uppercase. Next, to make a string lowercase, we can use the built-in .lower method. This method returns a new string with all uppercase letters converted to lowercase letters. The original string is unchanged because strings in Python are immutable. And all the numbers, special characters, or spaces will be ignored. We can write print in parenthesis s, lower parentheses. Now if we run this code cell, we see that the number, the special characters, and the spaces are unchanged. And all the alphabetical data is converted to lowercase. With this, we have successfully learned how to make a string uppercase using the string.upper method, and how to make a string lowercase using the string.lower method. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.